Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your display name on Twitter. So simply first of all open the Twitter app. So here you can see we have opened our Twitter app. So simply click here. So here you can see the profile option and you can see my already name appeared here. So simply click on profile. So after this, when you click here, click on edit profile. So here you can see my name is appeared. You can also change your bio and all the details there. So what we need to do, just change the random name, like I'm typing random name Axion David. So after this you need to click on save button. So here you can see our name has been changed. So in this way you can change your display name on Twitter.